Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're re-diving into a topic that affects millions of people but is often misunderstood: credit card debt and its deep connection to our personal identity. It's more than just numbers on a statement. It's about our habits, our mindset, and even our self-worth. So, grab a seat, and let's unravel this together. Have you ever felt that rush of swiping a credit card? That little piece of plastic can feel like a magic wand, giving us instant access to the things we want. A new gadget, a fancy dinner, a weekend getaway, it's all right there. But here's the thing, that convenience comes with a catch. When we rely on credit to fund a lifestyle we can't quite afford, we are essentially borrowing from our future selves. And that future self might not be too happy about paying the bill, plus interest. Let's break down how this cycle often begins. It usually starts small. Maybe you put a few extra purchases on your card one month, thinking you'll pay it off next month. But then, next month comes with its own expenses. An unexpected car repair, a friend's birthday, and suddenly, you can only make the minimum payment. That minimum payment is where the trouble really starts. It barely touches the principal balance, while the interest keeps piling up. It is like trying to bail water out of a boat with a teaspoon while a fire hose is filling it up. Before you know it, a small debt can balloon into a mountain that feels impossible to climb. This is where identity comes into play. In our society, there's a lot of pressure to keep up with the Joneses. We see curated, perfect lives on social media, and it's easy to feel like we are falling behind. We start linking our self-worth to the things we own. That new phone isn't just a phone, it's a status symbol. That designer bag isn't just a bag, it's a sign that we've made it. We start using credit to build an identity that we think will make us happy or accepted. But this is a trap. True self-worth comes from within, from our character, our relationships, and our contributions, not from our possessions. Chasing a lifestyle funded by debt is like building a house on a foundation of sand. It looks good for a moment, but eventually, it's going to crumble. So, how do we break free? The first and most crucial step is honesty. You have to face the numbers. Sit down, gather all your credit card statements, and add it all up. Yes, it might be scary, but you can't fight an enemy you can't see. Once you know the total, you can make a plan. Two popular methods are the debt snowball and the debt avalanche. With the snowball method, you list your debts from smallest to largest. You make minimum payments on everything except the smallest debt, which you attack with every extra dollar you can find. Once that's paid off, you roll that payment amount onto the next smallest debt. This gives you quick wins and builds momentum. The avalanche method, on the other hand, has you focus on the debt with the highest interest rate first. Mathematically, this saves you more money in the long run, but it might take longer to get that first win. Choose the method that motivates you the most. Next, you need a budget. A budget isn't a financial prison, it's a tool for freedom. It's you telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Track your income and expenses for a month to see where your money is actually going. You'll probably be surprised. Are you spending $100 a month on coffee? Maybe you can cut that in half. The goal isn't to deprive yourself of everything you enjoy, but to be intentional with your spending. Every dollar you save is a dollar you can throw at your debt. Finally, let's redefine our relationship with money and identity. Start practicing mindful spending. Before you buy something, ask yourself, do I truly need this, or do I just want it? Am I buying this for myself or to impress others? Can I afford this with the money I have right now, not with future credit? Shifting your focus from acquiring things to experiencing life can make a huge difference. A picnic in the park with friends can create better memories than a dinner you can't afford. Finding joy in simple, free activities helps disconnect your happiness from your spending. Getting out of credit card debt is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes discipline, patience, and a fundamental shift in your mindset. But I promise you, the feeling of freedom on the other side is worth every single sacrifice. You're not just paying off debt, you're reclaiming your financial future and building an identity based on stability and self-respect, not stuff. You can absolutely do this. Thanks so much for watching today. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content on building a better financial life. See you in the next one.